Tractor in Hattiesburg. I've got my technician Adam Graham here to help me with this demonstration today. We've got the Kubota M7060 four-wheel drive tractor. Today we'd like to demonstrate for some of our new Kubota owners how the front end loader is dismounted from the tractor. Kubota's done a lot of work in designing this loader. Makes it super easy, just a few steps, so we'd like to kind of go through those quickly and let you kind of see how it all works. First thing you do is crank your tractor up, you get your loader, raise your loader up in the air, and you pull this pin, drop your legs down, and reattach them. Those are your jack stands for the loader. We'll hold it up once the tractor is removed. Once you do that, then you can set the loader down. You want to raise the front wheels slightly off the ground with the bucket. At that point, you're ready to remove your pins. These pins, once you get the tension off of them, these pins will come out easily. You slide this one out, one on the opposite side. Then you can use the bucket tilt or curl to position the loader into the loader frame. So you will rock it forward. Once it clears the frame, you will want to cut your tractor off. And this is your loader control. In order to unhook your hydraulic lines from the front of the loader, you want to work this for, 15-20 seconds in all four directions. That way you can bleed the pressure off the system, make the connections a lot easier to detach and reattach. Once you get the lines detached and you're able to back the tractor out, go do whatever you need to do with your loader. When you get ready to reattach your loader, do the same thing. Position the tractor, drive in. We're doing everything in reverse order. Kill your tractor. Once you get everything set, get close. Relieve the pressure off your loader, hook your lines back up. Then you can start working your bucket. Slide your loader frame back into the loader mounts. When they get into position, put both pins back in the loader. Then you can pick your loader up and reposition your jack stands. So like I said, it looks like a lot of steps, but it's super simple. Kubota's done a good job with the design of the loader. Makes it super easy for even a novice to remove the loader and reattach. If you have any questions pertaining to any of the Kubota product lines, give us a call here in Hattiesburg. Again, my name is Charles Jones. I'm the service manager. You can reach us at 601-264-5877. Thanks.